Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Bingdon, live and alive. I'm here in my choosing beauty parlor in Davao, the makeover. Yeah, beauty lounge. Yeah, that's it. Purple is their colors. My second choice of color next to red. So this time I decided to make my hair makeover with my favorite hair expert, beauty care expert, no other than Jinjin, alias Rogelio, alias Rogelio, no, Kosho, what's the name that in Japanese? Rogelio. That's it. And a while ago, he put something, he or she. She said, the first process, how is it? Anong tawag doon kanina?
Checking, ma'am.
Checking?
Yes.
I was thinking it's only in my classroom, checking of attendance, checking of this paper. So the first process, when you're going to have a ribbon, to apply, the process is known as checking.
Yeah.
So we are done with the checking. And what's that? Can you explain? What is checking?
Checking.
Unsa ng checking?
Check niya kung straight na ba ang buhok or dili pa.
That's it.
Yeah.
So you put one. What can you mention to our viewers ang tawag doon sa nilagay mo? What's
up, madlang people?
Chemicals. What's how do you call that? Ingredients in. Ang tawag doon.
Organic.
Organic. Yeah. I love that organic.
Yes.
So we are now after checking. This one is already stage 2 or process. Step number 2 according to Apple. So that's Apple. But he refused to accept. He's the owner. According to Apple, he's not the owner. But
you're only beauticians here.
Okay, beauty expert. So back to now.
You're only stylist.
Jean, paki-explain naman. How do you do it? Sige, to my viewers, my channel. First checking, second recording.
After this, washing hair.
Washing.
Yeah.
I was thinking it's recording.
Recording.
It's not recording. So washing. What are you doing with my hair now? Checking is done. So
yeah,
now,
what's that? Wala pa, checking and checking.
Checking and checking.
Only.
Sige. So this is
after this.
We'll do that.
You after this talking na?
No, washing.
What's the unwashing? Okay. So the first step pala is checking.
The first step is apply the hair.
Making application of organic product to my hair. Yeah, that's correct. Second, we'll do the washing.
No, checking.
Checking again. Checking. Then step 3.
Wash hair.
Washing. Okay, that one. After the washing.
Blower. Dry.
Blower, dry.
Hair
dry. Next is
plancha.
Okay.
Straightening.
I was thinking it's ironing. It's straightening. So for the past days, I observed that my hair is not already presentable. So I decided to have this. Although I miss Ariel's Beauty Salon in lang, but Madam In, I cannot go home to lang. So forgive me if I'm choosing my new purple favorite salon here in Davao. Okay, but anyway, you will always be my Madam Ayin. Tata, Warren there, and Easy Aguas. I miss all of you. And Inday, my manicurist there. And Divine, my new nail makeover expert. That's Divine. That's it. Vine, any message to my viewers?
Wala
Wala music message. So anyway, let's captured apple there with my another consumer. Is it okay, ma'am? I will ask question. Ba't mo pinili itong the makeover? It's okay ka na dito, ma'am? Yes, yeah. Yeah, no? Excellent service, no? More than... Madam, your Mabay channel tayo, madam, ha? Yeah, invite our viewers also and introduce yourself, ma'am. Anong tawag ko sa iyo, ma'am? Mama Buhay, Ma'am Rendon of Mabay channel. Name, ma'am. Follow me tonight. April. I'm sure your birthday is April, right? April, what day? 29. Advance happy birthday. Ma'am April, okay lang, ma'am. Ang Facebook account mo, ma'am, ano tayo later. So, yan kasama ko dito. Nagpa beauty care. Kaming dalawa naman. Si Apple naman yung hair stylist. Hair beauty care. What are you waiting for? Those who are near in...
Just come here and make yourself beautiful.
Yeah, make yourself beautiful, according to Madam Apple. You know what? I like this, the makeover. Why? It's so comfy, so cozy. Very cool place. And I love their purple color. My second favorite color. Yeah, purple, violet, or just similar with this, lavender. But more on purple. So come now, those who are here near Katalunan, Piquinho, Talungod District, there, Mintan, of course, Ulas, including Kalinan, you can come here and experience their excellent service. Yeah, I have proven it. This state and proven. For years already, I have been here. Yeah, this is my choosing beauty parlor or salon here. The Makeover Beauty Lounge. Have a glimpse of this. Where it is located? This is located just
in front of South Pacific.
In front of South Pacific. Madam Apple, anong tawag sa street natin dyan? Oh, I do not know.
Piquinho.
Dyan, Piquinho pa rin, no? In front of, again.
South Pacific, Piquinho, Davao City.
Yeah, in front of South Piquinho, South Pacific, Piquinho. Or just near, in front at 7-Eleven there, and Palawan. There's also Palawan just a few meters ahead. So, this is the location now. Just sharing you my day in Davao City. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, Kamabuhayers. Mabuhay! Thank you for supporting me. I already have seen my monetization.